with the 3D Experience platform, the products are accessible for SMB, small and medium business company, and with those products, with those Dassault system products, we can do anything, anytime. We just have to take the application we need whenever we need. So for us, it's meaning flexibility and easy access to what we need when we need it.
Well, this is a totally different way of working. You are talking to engineers that have been working with V5 for years and they were on their side. Now you are proposing us a tool that allows to share many different domains in the same place. So those guys have to think about how they will interact with the different people working on the project, from project management to design through requirement management. And in that sense, platform is helping us because everything is managed in the same place and help people to understand their environment and see what are the interactions they should think of. So the first thing I would say to somebody asking me how we are using 3D Experience platform and how they should do is forget everything you know and start with it like a tool that allows you to share and collaborate in the same environment without any constraints. From what you used to do maybe in V5 when you used to work on Katia on your small workstation on your side. Now this is an open world where everybody is collaborating in the same place, and this is something really new that people have to manage, but when you understand it, it goes well.